Today's businesses have more options than ever for sourcing furniture. Going international offers a wide variety of products and competitive prices, but it's not without its challenges. Logistics, cultural differences, quality control, and regulatory compliance all add to the complexity. Let's talk logistics. Sourcing without prior research can result in longer lead time and the risk of transportation delays. Customs, global events, even weather. These can all impact delivery times. Thorough research is crucial here. Find suppliers with a strong logistics record and consider diversifying your suppliers to protect against disruptions. This way, if one supplier faces delays, you have a backup plan. Cultural differences can create barriers. For instance, holidays like Chinese New Year can pause production for weeks, and even subtle communication nuances can lead to misunderstandings. Building strong relationships is key to overcoming these barriers. A local sourcing agent who understands both the language and business practices can make a huge difference in communication and productivity. Ensuring quality across borders can be challenging. Different regions may have varying standards, so it's critical to set clear expectations for quality. Implement quality checks at various production stages and request product certifications. Testing samples before committing to larger orders is another way to guarantee quality. Regulations are another hurdle. Each country has unique import-export laws, tariffs, and safety standards, all of which can impact your business. Understanding these regulations upfront is vital. Partnering with suppliers experienced in global exports can also help you avoid costly compliance mistakes. Financial risks, payment terms, currency fluctuations, non-payment risks, all need careful consideration when sourcing internationally. Negotiate clear payment terms that protect both parties, like using letters of credit or escrow services. This way, payments are only processed once goods are received, and currency risks are minimized. Sourcing furniture internationally doesn't have to be so complicated. With the right partner, it's possible to streamline the process. Stellar Furniture offers deep expertise in global logistics, strict quality control, and compliance. If you're looking to source office chairs or bulk office furniture, we're here to help you manage these complexities. International sourcing opens doors to growth, and with the right approach, those doors are easier to walk through. Ready to simplify your sourcing? Contact Stellar Furniture today to unlock the benefits of global sourcing with confidence.